Welcome to Compare to Win. The best pocket tool kit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets you can own, offering a compact solution for everyday repairs, quick fixes, and unexpected situations, all conveniently fitting into your pocket or backpack, making it an essential companion for adventurers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who likes to be prepared for anything life throws their way. Number 5. CARTMAN 39-piece Household Hand Tool Kit. Introducing the CARTMAN 39-piece tool set, your go-to kit for everyday repairs and DIY projects. It includes everything you need, from hammers and pliers to screwdrivers and a tape measure. Crafted for durability, this set is heat-treated and chrome-plated for superior strength and resistance to rust. You can rely on these tools for years to come. Keep everything in its place with the included sturdy plastic toolbox. This organized storage ensures you can easily find the tool you need, when you need it. Designed for convenience, this kit is lightweight and features a comfortable carrying handle. It's perfect for taking on the go, whether for a quick fix or a larger project. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile tool kit is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. It's a practical present anyone would appreciate. What we like. This is a fantastic all-around kit for general household needs. If you're looking for a reliable set to tackle most small repairs and DIY projects around the house, this is a great choice. It's also a wonderful gift option for anyone setting up a new home or looking to expand their basic toolkit. What people say. The case is nice and portable and keeps all these tools organized and easy to use in one spot. Each tool in this set is extremely sturdy and well made. The metal core of these tools and the strong rubber grip will ensure that they last for years and years to come. It comes with a variety of screwdrivers that can be used for everything from eyeglasses to your larger fixes. You'll find a bit of everything, all of the basics from your hammers, wrenches, screwdrivers, and of course a variety of Allen keys. Number 4. RAK11 in 1 Multitool Pen Set, 2-pack. Introducing the RAK11 in 1 Multitool Pen, a versatile gadget designed for everyday use. It combines 11 essential tools into one compact and durable pen. Looking for a unique gift for the man who has everything? This multi-tool pen set is an ideal present for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or any occasion. It's a thoughtful gift for dads, husbands, friends, and anyone who appreciates practical gadgets. Crafted with a sturdy aluminum metal body, this tool is built to withstand tough jobs and last for years. It's reliable for home improvement, construction, or any daily task you encounter. This set includes an LED light, stylus tip, metric and standard rulers, a bubble level, a bottle opener, and a Phillips screwdriver. It's the perfect versatile EDC tool for quick fixes and various tasks. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect EDC gadget for men. Keep it in your pocket, at your desk, or in your glove box for convenience wherever you go. With its integrated stylus, it's also a thoughtful tech gadget gift. It's perfect for gadget enthusiasts and anyone who loves clever, functional everyday tools. What we like. This multi-tool pen is the ultimate everyday carry gadget. If you appreciate smart, functional tools that fit in your pocket and offer a surprising number of features, you should consider this. It's perfect for quick fixes, office tasks, or as a unique and practical gift for the gadget lover in your life. What people say. The writing is insanely smooth. Like, why don't all pens do this, smooth? Notes look better, signatures feel important, and suddenly my handwriting thinks it's fancy. This pen casually reveals it has a ruler for us distance guessing challenged, a bubble level, and an LED light. And, don't forget the all-important bottle opener and screwdrivers. It's sturdy, well-balanced, and feels like it could survive being borrowed by coworkers. Each one does something slightly different tool-wise, but the writing is still stellar. And, it comes with pen ink refills. The flashlight was surprisingly bright for being so small. A great purchase for a gift if your partner is into tools and DIY. I was just expecting a pen, but it's way more than that. The one I'm using has a stylus, ruler, stylus, and the pen. Signatures feel special, letters look sacred, it's just great to use. Number 3. KINGMAX Pocket Knife Multi-Tool. Save money and space with this all-in-one folding tool. It combines multiple functions into one compact design, making it perfect for various tasks. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tool offers excellent hardness and rust resistance. Its robust construction ensures it can handle tough jobs. Safety is paramount with its reliable blade locking mechanism. The ergonomic handle provides a secure and comfortable grip for worry-free use. This tool folds down compactly, fitting easily into your pocket or the included belt pouch. It's always ready to go wherever you do. An ideal gift for any outdoor enthusiast or adventurer. It's the ultimate companion for camping, hiking, and survival situations. What we like. This multi-tool knife is built for durability and safety in demanding situations. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, camper, or someone who likes to be prepared for emergencies, this robust option is for you. Its full stainless steel construction and secure locking mechanism make it a reliable companion for adventure. What people say. Very impressed with the quality and sturdiness of the tool. Comes with a nice case that attaches to her belt for easy access. Right out of the box, I was impressed with the weight and quality of the materials. It's put together well and the tools all seem to be quite sturdy. Just being able to open the knife blade one-handed is already life-changing for me, but having pliers, plus any screwdriver head I'm likely to need is a huge deal. Number 2. 14-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi-Tool. Introducing a versatile 14-in-1 multi-tool designed for every situation. It includes a variety of pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and openers to tackle any task. Our multi-tool features a safety locking mechanism. Each tool, except the pliers, locks securely when opened, ensuring safe operation. Never be caught unprepared again. This essential tool fits easily in your pocket, providing quick access to a screwdriver, pliers, or knife whenever you need it. This comprehensive tool set is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. It's built to be durable and sturdy, handling both everyday use and rugged conditions. Designed for portability, it's lightweight and foldable, making it easy to store or carry in your pocket. It also comes with a nylon sheath for convenient belt attachment. Whether you're camping, hiking, or hunting, this tool is ready for anything. Its robust construction ensures reliability in any environment. What we like. This multi-tool is ready for virtually any situation you might encounter. If you need a versatile tool that offers a wide range of functions including pliers, screwdrivers, and knives, all with a safety lock, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for outdoor sports, survival scenarios, or everyday carry for those who like to be prepared. What people say. This is a great little tool kit for the price. It has all the basic tools you would need for quick fixes. The tools are sturdy and well made for their size. Number 1. BIBURY 21-in-1 Multi-Tool Pliers. Introducing the BIBURY 21-in-1 Multi-Tool, designed to be your ultimate companion for any task. This versatile tool is packed with 21 essential functions to help you tackle any challenge. Experience enhanced durability with its upgraded titanium-plated handle. This special coating ensures it's resistant to rust, corrosion, and fading, even in harsh environments. From needle nose pliers to a full bit set, it includes everything you need. This compact tool features pliers, a screwdriver, a saw, a cutter, and much more for ultimate convenience. Safety is paramount with its special locking device. Each tool securely locks in place when opened, providing a stable and reliable experience for all your projects. Whether you're camping, fishing, or doing DIY at home, this tool is perfect for you. Its robust construction and versatile features make it ideal for everyday use and outdoor adventures. Looking for the perfect gift? This multi-tool is an excellent choice for men, ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Surprise him with a gift that's both practical and impressive. What we like. This is the most feature-rich multi-tool designed for resilience in harsh environments. If you're looking for a heavy-duty tool with an impressive array of functions and a durable, corrosion-resistant handle, this is the one. It's ideal for serious outdoor activities, camping, fishing, or any repair job where you need a reliable and versatile tool. What people say. The pliers are spring-loaded and all the tools lock, with a very well-designed locking mechanism. The multi-tool features 21 different tools, including pliers, wire cutters, a knife blade, screwdrivers, a saw, a file, and more. This wide range of tools makes it suitable for a variety of tasks, from basic repairs to more complex projects. The multi-tool is made from 420 durable stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use and everyday wear and tear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.